The core of the defense lies in these composite layers. Using specialized torque tools, the team ensures the heavy-duty brakes and suspension meet the rigorous standards for weight handling. The key to survival lies in the run-flat system, ensuring these vehicles are truly puncture-proof. Inside the factory, massive armored vehicles take shape. The secure dashboard integration is where raw power meets polished precision, ensuring every component is locked down. The fire resistance test pushes the armored plating to its absolute limit, simulating battlefield conditions. Inside the factory, raw steel is forged. The result, a fleet of armored vehicles, hero-ready and secure. Every weld is critical. Here, the armor seam undergoes a rigorous inspection to ensure structural integrity.
Advanced robotic systems weld the armor plating under extreme heat before the vehicle begins its first mobility test on the factory floor.
Forged in fire and shaped by precision engineering, the next generation of armored vehicles is born. The transformation begins deep within the factory. Specialized armor reinforcement is applied, sealing the vehicle against any threat. The armored glass rating label confirms the material specifications, guaranteeing unparalleled resilience against even the most extreme threats. From raw steel plates to the finished vehicle, every weld is critical in building the future of armored transport. The manufacturing process is intense. Every weld contributes to the material transformation. Applying 40,000 tons of pressure, the system checks the armor plating for structural integrity. The transformation begins deep within the foundry, where raw material is forged into the armor plating seen here.
Using advanced laser welding technology, the raw metal plating is fused to the chassis, transforming soft steel into hardened armor.
This extreme articulation test pushes the armored chassis to its limits, guaranteeing the durability of the materials under the most severe stress.